Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. It is Tuesday. This morning, if yesterday is any indication of what we're in for, you're going to get some back and forth action. You're going to get two-way action, which we really, quite frankly, have not had in a long time. It started last week, and it's been continuing. You know, basically, vernacular speaking, we're up 150, 160. Next thing you know, we're up 50. Lots of two-way action, lots of stocks. You know, we're up 5, 7, reversed. Some stuff held on to their strength. The Googles of the world still look really, to me, really good. Apple, we know it's showing some weakness, at least temporarily, but it's a trading vehicle, and I think with that being the case, you know, trade it accordingly. Look for the 50-day moving average. I think it's around 650, 650. Possibly gets down there. That'll be where I really take a stab and maybe put it in the swing again. Until that point, it's just a trading vehicle, using the ebbs and flows as cash flow accordingly. Yesterday we had Goldman Sachs being, you know, having decent strength, held up there pretty much most of the day. I think the banks are trying to recover at this point. You know, surprisingly, you know, I feel like the stocks we've been going to have shown more weakness and have not really had the froth that the market really is trying to recover. So I think there's rotation that's happening, and our job really is to figure out where it's rotating to. Maybe it's the banks, maybe some money's coming out of the home builders, at least temporarily, maybe some money's coming out of the high beta, maybe it's going into biotechs. I think it's too early to tell exactly, but we got to find the individual issues. You certainly have to find the sector, and we got to go from there. So this morning, no A-plus trades for me. You know, MOS, bad earnings, down a little bit. You know, gapped up a little bit, but nothing too exciting. Probably this morning, I'm probably going to look at Visa, MasterCard, which were strong yesterday. Apple's always on my radar. Priceline's on my radar. I don't want it to gap up too much. I'm in it, but I'd like to, you know, get it as close to 625 as possible for a move possibly to 635. We'll have to see how that works out. And, you know, overall, guys, I'm just, you know, trying to take some cash flow. And I keep saying I think we're changing a little bit, but I think understanding that earnings are coming out next week, we're starting the key earnings, you know, with Alcoa, and then obviously, you know, Intel, Google, and we run the gamut. So I think that's when we're going to be. Cash flow is king right now. We're getting two-way action. I like that as a trader. You should embrace it. You shouldn't fight it. Respect the fact that when a move happens and it starts to obviously, you know, tick down the other way, we're not in the tape where you can just hold and blindly, you know, think you're going to get paid by the end of the day. It's going to take a little bit more time. I would take some money off on the short side and the long side if you get nice trades. And we'll go from there. It will change at some point in time, but we're not quite there yet. Good luck. I'll talk to you later.
Hi, I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer for T3 Live, and I would like to invite you to join us on October 6th and 7th in New York City for our first annual T3 Live Active Trader Super Conference. The two-day event will focus on what we believe to be the 5 keys to being a successful trader. We will teach you the strategies, tactics, and mindset we take to the market every single day, and you will leave the Super Conference with a personal step-by-step success blueprint. Visit t3live.com and click on the Education tab on the top of the page and watch preview videos of this event. Seats will fill up quickly, so be sure to reserve yours today. My colleagues and I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.